Alright guys, so this is a video topic that um I I that was actually announced a few days ago. However, I've just been super busy, and it actually involves something that I have never made a video on this channel before but the original puppeteer and voice of Big Bird, Carol Spinney, has finally made the decision after 50 years of voicing Big Bird to to basically pass the torch to the same puppeteer that now voices Kermit the Frog. So again, guys, the original voice of Big Bird is done, and Carol, Carol, guys, has basically become the modern day Jim Enton, in a sense. As to what I mean by that is Jim's kids obviously hold control over all the Muppet rights, but for Carol to just now be deciding to step down as Big Bird, even though he's had to resort to, at the age of 84 years old, just simply voicing everybody's favorite big yellow friend. Still, for Mr. Spinney to still have a passion to continue voicing Big Bird right up until a few days ago, after he recorded the Sesame Street 50th anniversary special. That's just something truly remarkable, and I do believe it deserves respect. But again, guys, Big Bird will have a new voice very soon.